Hey everyone! We just wanted to show you a new scrapbook album that we just finished. It was a custom order and it is about 10 inches tall by about 8 inches wide, and we used different scrapbook collections, different papers and stickers because we knew what pictures are going into it, and so we were kind of going with a theme on this one, different themes. So I have magnets on the inside here and right here to hold it together, and then here is an envelope pocket where you can store photos, cards, notes, memorabilia, any extra things that you want to save. This book has about 25 pages and there's around 50 spots to put pictures because we have two different waterfalls on this one. And so this is a clear pocket page to insert photos. And then this is accordion album style. So this is going to fold out. Some spots to insert photos there. And then this side also opens up. This is a school theme for some school pictures, waterfall. This little pocket has the tags in it. And then these will flip up to put some school pictures in. And then this has a magnet on it, a magnet here. And then these are little envelope pockets. They're magnets, so fun little spots to write notes, memories, cards, anything extra that you want to save. And here's another clear plastic insert to put photos in. And then this comes out. So you can put pictures on there or do some journaling. Even stick some more cards in there if you want. Some more spots for photos, and there's another waterfall. So we used paper collections from Carta Bella, Echo Park, and Simple Stories. Another clear pocket page to put your pictures in. And then this is a big pocket in there. You can add photos to this. Moments to remember, and family. I forgot that there was another one at the beginning here. It doesn't get any better than this. And life is good. So those are extra spots to include photos, or do some journaling. And then this family went to an aquarium exhibit. They have pictures with some sharks, so we were able to use this shark paper. It's so cute and so fun. And then this also pulls out. Another clear pocket, put photos on both sides. And then this waterfall, the photos are going to go right on here, so we didn't cover it with paper, but the back does have some paper on it. Spot for photo, another clear another clear page. And then this is kind of the accordion style again. And this pulls out. I love this live. Things I love about you. So this is the other side of the accordion. And these are all pockets where you can put pictures, cards, notes, memorabilia, whatever. And then we ended with another large envelope page to stick any notes or pictures or anything in there. And so that's it. If you like this video, be sure to like it, subscribe to our channel so you can see more. Thanks for watching.